国际消息，咱要来关心，前几天啊，强烈的风暴扫入去美国。在美国中南部有8个州出现假烈风、沙尘暴、甲火烧山，灾情是真严重，造成至少有42个人死亡，而且有真侪人是有路无厝。也有拜2、拜3的时阵，也有另外一个风暴系统会侵袭美中地区。
暴风扫过了，规片的树仔丛拢互伊吹甲倒去，真侪厝拢变做平地。顶礼拜六，强烈的风暴侵袭美国，伫南部甲中南部8个州引起连根风、沙尘暴甲野火，灾情严重，超过40人死亡。
We had a lot of tree damage, came down on our fence and our bird enclosure. We have a bunch of chickens and stuff.
We're just basically helping people get trees off structures, driveways, any kind of help they need, just stuff like that. We got the equipment to do it.
美国国家气象局统计，敢若顶礼拜5、拜62天就要到90件连根风，其中密苏里州13个人死亡上多，有真侪人是因为强风引起沙尘暴，看袂清楚发生车祸死亡，包括乔治亚、奥克拉荷马甲阿肯色州，拢宣布进入紧急状态。
I think some of the immediate need will be making sure all the alert and warning systems are back in place. Should there be another storm that comes through, we're going to make sure to work closely with the mayor and his team.
Mississippians in times like these step up and do what is necessary to take care of our friends and our neighbors, and that makes me proud to be a Mississippian.
前这边风暴所带来连根风警报已经解除，不过美国国家气象局讲，所来的几天还有另外一个风暴系统将会离开洛基山脉进入平原地区。拜2到拜3，包括堪萨斯州、内布拉斯加州、爱荷华州、威斯康星州、甲密西根州，拢会拄到暴风雪等剧烈天气的危险。公司新闻张伟林编写。